Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a work profile on your Android phone. This feature is great for keeping your work stuff separate from your personal apps, making it easier to stay organized. Let's get started. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Accounts. Scroll down until you see the option called Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap on it. 3. Look for Add Account and then choose Work Profile from the list that pops up. 4. Set it up. Follow the steps on the screen to set up your work profile. You might need to enter your work email and password. 5. Customize settings. Once your work profile is set up, you can adjust settings like notifications and app permissions to fit how you want to use it. 6. Switch between profiles. To switch between your personal and work profiles, just swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap on your profile icon and pick the one you want. And that's all there is to it. Creating a work profile on your Android phone is simple and helps you keep your work and personal life separate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow Android tips. If you have any questions or want us to cover other topics, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.